Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with admin access and a current backup. This prevents data loss. Once ready, open Start, choose Settings, then System and Storage to access storage settings. Make sure you also open Disk Management with Win+X to verify drive letters and free space, because Windows will need an available target. If a drive is nearly full, consider freeing space or attaching an external. Now that prerequisites are handled, proceed to Change where new content will be saved. Once in Storage Settings, click Change where new content is saved and pick the new drive for each content type. This directs future files to the new location. For installed apps, open Apps and Features, select an app and use Move when available. Note some system apps cannot move. To relocate existing user folders, right-click the folder in File Explorer, choose Properties, Location, and Move, then Confirm. Make sure target drives have enough space, otherwise, free space first and then continue. To finish, verify moved folders open correctly and that moved apps launch. Then restart Windows to ensure changes apply. If you encounter access denied or permissions errors, take ownership and set NTFS permissions on the new folder, because ownership prevents stubborn access problems. If files went missing or behavior is unstable, revert using your backup or system restore. This undoes risky moves. One quick tip: if a drive letter conflict appears, change the drive letter in Disk Management before retrying the move to avoid errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.